organizational thing that I'm gonna get. He did purchase me one. Well, it's like a couple of pieces. It's not cheap. Hi guys, today I am getting ready to clean my closet. My closet is a mess. I have so many clothes and shoes, so I have this big storage compartment for my shoes in my master bedroom closet. It's got to go. I want to do another type of design, something similar to my husband's closet. And I'm going to take you guys with me on this journey. I have boxes and boxes of shoes that I have to dig in the closet to find which shoe that I want to wear. So I'm trying to get more organized. And so I'm going to show you guys my husband's closet. His closet put my closet to shame. So I'm going to show you his closet before I show you my closet. So this is gonna be his closet. Look how organized this is, you guys. Clothes are color coordinated. Pants on the rack. Look at his shoes. So this is the organizational thing that I'm gonna get. He did purchase me one. Well, it's like a couple of pieces. It's not cheap, you guys. It's expensive, but it will help me better organize my closet. But so his closet is very organized. He got places for his hats up here. He got his cologne here. And this doggone shoe rack goes all the way up the wall. So I'm not doing it justice what I'm showing you guys, but I'm trying to come out of the closet to show you his shoe rack. So I'm gonna show you my closet. And I've been so busy till I'm ashamed, but hey, it is what it is. But by the end of today or tomorrow, we're gonna get this stuff organized. I'm gonna take out the things that I don't need that I can give to others that may can use it. So don't judge me. Some of this stuff is new that I kind of just threw over that I got for as gifts, but this got to be hung up. But this is my closet. So this is the organizer that I was talking about, that I have some of my shoes in right here. And as you can see, it's really big. And you have to lift it up to get to your items, and it's kind of sometimes in the way. The closets are big, but they're not that big. But up here, you guys, I got purses and stuff. They need to be organized. I've just piled stuff on top of here. In this, I just got stuff on top of stuff. And at first it was great, but I think I could save some space. Then I got shoes over here. And this is my closet, you guys. This one of my closets. And you can see it's a disaster. It's a disaster. Then I also have shoes over here. I'm going to show you guys that I need to take out the box. So here are the shoes that I need to take out the box. I still have jewelry and bags over here that need to be organized. So my vanity is a mess. Show you my vanity. I got stuff that needs to be put away. And I really want to take this vanity down, you guys. I really want to just have this open space so that I could put like my jewelry box that I bought over in this space. So I'm thinking about tearing it down. But like I said, I'm going to take you along. I'm going to take the clothes that I got for Christmas. I'm going to lay them to the side. And I'm just going to take everything out of this closet and pull this organizer out. Once I take everything out. And when my husband comes, he's going to have to put the ones together like the ones in his closet. Because I think it'll be better organized if it goes up the wall like his does. And like I said, I got a lot of things that I'm going to have to close my eyes. It's not that I don't like the items. I just have too much of it. And like I said before, I don't want to give nobody nothing that I wouldn't wear. So I'm going to go through this stuff and be meticulous. Because I know sometimes when we trying to find something to wear, we be like, oh, I got this. And then what happens is you forget I gave it away. So, like I said, this is not a judging moment. This is an organization moment. So, just stand by, you guys, and hopefully we can get some of this organized, and I'll let you guys see the finished product. Okay, guys, I kind of straightened up a little bit, trying to get the stuff out. So this case right here got to come out. And what I'm going to do is pull it out and put it to the side. I probably just go ahead and get the things out of it and put it in a bag. And that way, once the other stuff is built, I could go ahead and put everything back on the shelves. So I guess that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and take all my shoes out of these cases and all of my stuff and put it in a bag. And then I'm going to go through these clothes and clean up there. I'm going to go through these clothes and stuff like that and see what I don't need so that I can get rid of a lot of stuff. Because I really can't see my stuff. So this is a job. It's a job. So just keep you posted.